Let's get your COVID check. In the last 24 hours alone, 1,73,790 cases have been reported of COVID-19. Now, this is the lowest in the last 45 days. Last time it was on the 13th of April when 1,61,736 cases had been reported. But in the last 24 hours, the number of people who have lost their lives to COVID-19, those are 3,617. Still above 3,500 people are losing their lives to COVID-19. Now, as far as recoveries are concerned, in the last 24 hours, 2,84,601 people have recovered from the virus, and this continues to outnumber the daily cases now for the 16th consecutive day. And the positivity rate is coming in at 8.36%, and that is less than 10% for the 5th consecutive day. And cases coming in the last 24 hours alone, 1,73,790. So that's a dip in cases, the lowest number of cases that are being reported within India of COVID-19, the lowest in the last 45 days. However, the death rate, as far as India is concerned, more than 3,000 deaths being reported per day of COVID-19. 3,617 people have lost their lives in the last 24 hours alone. To get more on this, let's go across to Akshay. Akshay, a slight improvement in the number of cases that are being reported on a daily basis, the lowest we're seeing now in 45 days.
Well, yes, Divya, exactly. And this is, in fact, some kind of respite as far as the number of COVID-19 cases in the country are concerned. We have seen the number of cases at a record high, around 4 lakh cases have been reported in the country at one point of time, and it was barely a month ago. And now when the number of cases have come down below 2 lakh every day, some kind of respite to the healthcare infrastructure, which was crumbling under the pressure of so many cases that were coming every day. However, the deaths still remain high. We still haven't reached the place where the healthcare experts are working day and night for, and that is getting the positivity rate below 5% and the fatality rate somewhere around 1%. So they still have challenges, but the biggest one remains vaccinations, because we have seen that not only in the rural parts of the country, but now even the major cities like Delhi are facing this crunch of vaccines, and some sort of politics is obviously going on as far as the vaccinations are concerned. The number of vaccines that are being provided to the states are concerned. In fact, Delhi has raised that point time and again, and some kind of allegations were also made by the Delhi government. So yes, the situation is improving day by day, but the healthcare experts are still warning that the COVID appropriate behavior must be adhered by everyone to avoid any kind of future waves which can be devastating for the country once again.